The manufacturing of a power plant generator begins with massive forged steel billets.
The steel billet is transported to the machining area, where shaping begins. Plasma cutting machines trim the raw steel before machining.
The trimmed steel billet is transported to a giant lathe for precision machining. A massive horizontal lathe begins shaping the rotor shaft. Precision cutting tools shape the rotor shaft from solid steel. Precision measurements ensure the rotor dimensions match the engineering specifications. The machined rotor blank is removed from the lathe for the next stage. The rotor shaft now moves to the next stage of generator manufacturing.
The rotor shaft undergoes precision machining to achieve exact dimensions.
Specialized cutting tools shape the bearing seats along the rotor shaft. Rotor grinding machines refine the surface of the shaft to high precision. Dynamic balancing ensures the rotor spins smoothly at high speeds. Engineers adjust the rotor balance to eliminate vibration during operation. Dynamic balancing machines ensure the rotor spins smoothly without vibration.
Engineers identify imbalance points on the rotor shaft.
The rotor is tested again to confirm proper balance. The balanced rotor moves to the surface finishing station.
The rotor surface is polished to achieve a smooth precision finish.
The stator frame begins as thick steel plates, cut into curved structural segments.
Overhead cranes move the stator frame sections to the welding station.
Heavy welding joins the steel sections into the circular stator frame.
Machining equipment prepares precise mounting surfaces on the stator frame. Precision measurements confirm the stator frame is ready for winding installation.
Copper conductors are formed into stator windings that will generate electrical power. Each copper winding segment is installed into the stator slots.
Multiple windings are installed around the stator frame. Slot wedges secure the windings firmly inside the stator. Electrical inspections confirm the stator windings are properly installed.
The rotor shaft is carefully positioned for installation inside the stator frame.
The rotor must be aligned precisely to avoid contact with the stator windings.
Massive bearings support the rotor during operation.
Laser alignment tools ensure the rotor is perfectly centered within the stator.
The generator frame is secured to its structural foundation.
The outer generator housing protects the internal rotor and stator assembly. Large steel panels form the protective casing of the generator.
Multiple housing sections enclose the generator structure.
Cooling systems remove heat produced during generator operation.
The cooling fan circulates air through the generator housing. The electrical terminal box connects the generator windings to the external power system.
The terminal box houses the generator electrical connections. Heavy copper cables carry electrical power from the generator. Compression connectors secure the generator power cables to the terminal bus bars.
Electrical tests confirm the integrity of the generator connection system. The completed generator receives a protective industrial coating.
Protective coatings prevent corrosion and protect the generator surface.
Industrial enamel paint provides long-term protection for the generator structure. Engineers perform final inspections before the generator leaves the factory.
Final electrical checks confirm the generator is ready for delivery. Massive generators require specialized heavy transport equipment. The generator is positioned carefully on the transport frame. Cargo chains secure the generator during transport.
The generator begins its journey to the power plant. A heavy bridge crane will lift the generator into the power plant hall.
The bridge crane lifts the generator into the installation position. The generator is installed on a reinforced foundation inside the power plant. Precise alignment ensures the generator connects correctly with the turbine. The turbine shaft transfers mechanical energy to the generator rotor.
A precision coupling connects the turbine to the generator.
Protective covers shield the rotating shaft connection.
The generator undergoes its first operational rotation test.
The generator begins producing electrical power during testing.
the spinning rotor converts mechanical energy into electrical power.
Transformers increase the voltage of electricity for long-distance transmission.
Transmission towers carry electricity across long distances.
Electricity from the power plant supplies homes and industries.
Electric power generated at the plant reaches homes through the power grid.